Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Nissan Armada. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts while you work. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a good set of wrenches and sockets. Finally, make sure your vehicle is securely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Safety first, always. Now that safety is covered, let's find that starter. On many Nissan Armada models, you'll typically locate the starter motor underneath the intake manifold. To get a clear view and access, you'll need to remove the airbox, vacuum lines, and coolant lines. Remember, lifting the vehicle safely will provide the necessary clearance for this step, making your job much easier. This process can take about 1.5 to 2.5 hours. With the starter exposed, it's time for removal. Carefully disconnect the main battery cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the old starter. Pay attention to how they are routed. Next, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. Once the old starter is out, position the new one, reattach the mounting bolts, and then reconnect the electrical wires, ensuring all connections are snug and secure. You're almost done. Reinstall any components you removed, like the intake manifold, airbox, and hoses. Double-check that all bolts are tightened to specification. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable, and then give your new starter a test. Turn the key and listen for that satisfying crank. For more great deals and to grab your own little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.